How to change graphic quality on Zooba game. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. First of all, open up the Zooba game on your device, and once you're inside the game's main lobby screen, this is the home area where you can see your characters, start matches, and access menu. Go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner from the home screen of Zooba, and once you're inside, select visual from the left. Inside visual setting, go ahead and choose the quality option. If you have a laggy device, make sure that you choose the low option. If you have a balanced device that supports the gaming, tap on mid or high. If you want the best quality in the game, you can select the high option, and you can also adjust the FPS. Once you are done, get back to the home screen of the game and go ahead and join into an adventure. And that's how you can easily enjoy a smoother gameplay or better visual depending on what you chose. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.